Okay, so here's my Thermo Syphon hot water heater. This is after a burn. This is just a radiator. Cracked a hole in the side. It already had these tubes on it. Copper. This thing burned for about 5 hours altogether. This is after it's done. Just got some bricks propping it up. Here it is running. Fire just hits the rad. Cold water in the bottom. Hot water comes back out. That goes up into the top of the barrel. And down here is hot already because it's running. And up here I can barely touch. This water is, if you stick your hand in it, very hot. Don't bother with a thermometer, but it'll burn you. And this is after approximately 3 hours of running, 2.5 or 3 hours. Just no blower fan or anything. Just throwing logs in there. Really heats up if you throw some cardboard into it. But pretty rudimentary. Just wanted to try it out. All plastic right now. And there you, I don't know if you can hear it, it's gurgling like crazy going into there. And you can see it steaming off the top. So yeah, it's pretty hot. Works pretty good. And anybody probably has this stuff laying around to do it, so. There's just a shot of some water gurgling coming up through. I just had all this stuff laying around the house, so. You can just jump right in there and have a good old redneck hot tub. This might burn you a bit, might want to mix it with some cold water. But now I plan on building this on a bigger scale, and obviously out of the proper materials, and a couple hot water tanks. Should be fairly easy, so yeah, just wanted to make this video and show you how easy this was.